Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. I am also good. And you are passing a good time with your family. Dear students, at first I introduce myself. I am Poppy Mondal, head teacher, Kobirajbari Government Primary School. Dear students and dear viewers who are watching me, I introduce all of you on behalf of Akash Amar Pathshala online primary school, the most popular educational web page. Dear students, today I have come to teach you the student of grade 5 English subject. So dear students, get ready your English book, an exercise book and a pen. Dear students, previous day what you have learned, can you remember? Okay, think along. You have learned Cyclone Aila and the story was Bubbles and his family are attracted by Cyclone Aila 25 May 2009. Dear students, today we are going to read a beautiful story. Okay, dear students, let's start our today's topics. Again, I welcome Lesson Identity, Class 5, Subject English, Unit 25. Dear students, what ideas do you have about the animals of forest? বনের প্রাণীদের সম্বন্ধে তোমাদের কি কোনো আইডিয়া আছে? Okay. Can you name some animals of the forest? বনের কিছু প্রাণীর নাম তোমরা বলতে পারবে? Okay. Birds, rats, tiger, lion, snakes. Okay, thank you very much. Can you make sounds of different animals? বিভিন্ন প্রাণীরা যে আওয়াজ করে সেটা কি করতে পারো তোমরা? Okay, fine. Dear students, let's enjoy a video. What do you see in the video? It makes a sound. You hear the animals in the video. What was the animal? What is the animal? Frog. Okay, you are correct. And frog makes a sound. Quack, quack. Ghangor, ghangor. What can you see in the picture, dear students? And think alone. You can see some birds, a fox, and you can see rabbits, you can see lizard, you can see frog, you can see some animals. Who are there in the picture? কে ছবিতে আছে? Okay, you are fine. Birds, lizard, frog, rabbits, fox. Where are they? Okay, you are fine. They are in the forest. What are they doing? Maybe they are talking something. Okay. Dear students, again, what do you see in the picture? Water and forest, trees, and a frog.
What sound does a frog make? It
What
isn't a
sound
beautiful
does a
sound.
frog make? What sound does a frog make? Quack, quack. Is it beautiful? No, no. It is not a beautiful sound. Dear students, our today's topic is why does the frog quack? Write down the lesson title on your exercise book. Dear students, let's introduce some new words and their meaning. Sound, a sensation created in the ear. Voice, the sound of one's vocal cord. Animal, a living being having flesh and sensation. Share, part of something taken by someone. Dear students, write down your exercise book this word and their meaning. Okay, dear students. Have you finished? I hope you have finished. Dear students, open your book page at 98 and I read out the story. You listened carefully. This is nice story and also funny. What sound does a frog make? Quack, quack. It isn't a beautiful sound. It isn't a beautiful sound. But a long time ago, frogs had beautiful voices. They could sing more beautiful than the birds. This all changed because of one frog named Bluster. Bluster had the most beautiful voice of all the animals. When he sang, all other animals came to hear him. They enjoyed listening to him. Please teach us how to sing, the animals asked, but Bluster always answered in the same way. No, no, my voice is mine. I cannot share it, he said. Dear students, I read out the text again. You listen carefully and put your finger under the lines. What sound does a frog make? Quack, quack. It isn't a beautiful sound, but a long time ago, frogs had beautiful voices. They could sing more beautiful than the birds. This all changed because of one frog named Bluster. Bluster had the most beautiful voice of all the animals. When he sang, all the other animals came to hear him. They enjoyed listening to him. Please teach us how to sing, the animals asked. But Bluster always answered in the same way, No, no, my voice is mine. I can't share it, he said. Dear students, I read out the text with Bangla meaning. What sound does a frog make? ব্যাং কীরকম আওয়াজ করে? কোরাক কোরাক, ঘ্যাঙর ঘ্যাঙর। ইট ইজন্ট আ বিউটিফুল সাউন্ড, এটা একটা সুন্দর আওয়াজ নয়। বাট আ লং টাইম অ্যাগো, কিন্তু অনেক দিন আগে। ফ্রগস হ্যাড বিউটিফুল ভয়েসেস, ব্যাঙেদের ছিল সুন্দর কণ্ঠস্বর। দে কুড সিং মোর বিউটিফুল দেন দ্য বার্ডস, তারা পাখিদের চেয়েও সুন্দর গান করতে পারত। দিস অল চেঞ্জড বিকজ অফ অন ফ্রগ নেমড ব্লাস্টার, এটা সম্পূর্ণ পরিবর্তন হয়ে গেছে ব্লাস্টার নামে একটা ব্যাঙের কারণে। ব্লাস্টার হ্যাড দ্য মোস্ট বিউটিফুল ভয়েস অফ অল দ্য অ্যানিমালস, সমস্ত প্রাণীদের মধ্যে ব্লাস্টারের সবচেয়ে সুন্দর কণ্ঠস্বর ছিল। ওয়েন হি স্যাং, যখন সে গান করত, অল দ্য আদার অ্যানিমেলস কেম টু হিয়ার হিম, অন্য সকল প্রাণীরা এটা শুনতে আসতো। দে এনজয়েড লিসনিং টু হিম, তারা তার গান শুনতে গান উপভোগ করত। প্লিজ টিচ আস হাউ টু সিং, কীভাবে গান করো অনুগ্রহ করে আমাদেরকে শিখাও। দ্য অ্যানিম্যালস আস্কড, প্রাণীরা বলতো। বাট ব্লাস্টার অলওয়েজ অ্যান্সার্ড ইন দ্য সেম ওয়ে, একইভাবে ব্লাস্টার সবসময় উত্তর দিত, নো নো, না না, মাই ভয়েস ইজ মাইন, আমার কণ্ঠস্বর আমার নিজের। আই ক্যান নট শেয়ার ইট, হি সেড, আমি এটা কারোর সাথে ভাগাভাগি করব না, সে বলতো। ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, আই হোপ ইউ হ্যাভ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড দ্য টেক্সট। Now, dear students, match the words of column A with their similar meaning of column B. Column A, beautiful. Change, voice, enjoy, answer. And column B, there are two extra. Beautiful, pleasing to the mind. Thank you very much. Change, to become different. Voice, the intensity of one's tone. Enjoy, to celebrate or have pleasure. Answer, to reply to a question or request. Dear students, write true for correct statement or false for incorrect statement. Number A, a frog makes a beautiful sound. Is it correct? No, it is not correct. False. A long time ago, frog had beautiful sound. Is the sentence is true? Yeah, it's true. Frogs could sing as beautiful as the birds. False. Thank you very much. The change happened because on a frog named Blaster. Okay, it's true. When Blaster sang, no other animals came to hear him. Is it false? Okay. All other animals felt bored listening to him. False. Okay, dear students, match your answers from the screen. Dear students, write down some answers to the questions on your exercise book. Number A. What sound does a frog make? When did the frogs have more beautiful voice than birds? Which frog had the most beautiful voice? Why did Blaster refuse to share his voice? Why did all animals come? Write about Blaster in 3 sentences. I think all of you can answer these questions because these answers is in your text and you have already known. Now, what sound does a frog make? A frog makes sound croak croak. When did the frogs have more beautiful voice than birds? A long time ago. The frogs had more beautiful voice than birds. Which frog had the most beautiful voice? Blasters had the most beautiful voice. Dear students, full stop. This sentence, after finishing, complete the sentence, you put full stop, not question mark. Why did Blaster refuse to share his voice? Because it was his own voice. Why did all animals come? All animals came to hear Blaster's songs. Write about Blaster in 3 sentences. Blaster is a frog. He had the most beautiful voice of all animals, but he was not interested to share it with others. Dear students, match your answers from the screen. Dear students, now the time to give you a homework. Write a short composition on frog's voice in at least 5 sentences. When you write down your homework, you can inbox me, or when your school is opened, you can show your English teacher. Okay, dear students, thank you. No more today. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Bye bye. Happy learning.